CoinPayMaster is an all-in-one platform that offers crypto enthusiasts and traders powerful tools for managing and analyzing their cryptocurrency portfolios. With its user-friendly interface, advanced trading options, and real-time market insights, CoinPayMaster is designed to make crypto transactions smooth and secure. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, enabling users to buy, sell, and hold digital assets without hassle. Upon visiting the homepage, you'll immediately notice the sleek design and intuitive navigation. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your assets, recent transactions, and market trends, all updated in real time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, you'll find that the platform adapts to your needs, offering customizable features to enhance your trading experience. CoinPayMaster also emphasizes security, employing state-of-the-art encryption and multi-factor authentication to ensure your funds and personal information are safeguarded. Their wallet integration allows for quick transfers and supports multiple currencies, making it a versatile tool for managing your crypto assets. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One of the standout features of CoinPayMaster is its analytics suite, which provides in-depth insights into market movements and potential trading opportunities. You can set alerts for price changes, monitor historical data, and even utilize AI-driven predictions to refine your trading strategies. The fee structure is transparent, with no hidden costs, ensuring you always know what you're paying for. This makes CoinPayMaster a reliable partner for anyone serious about maximizing their crypto investments. If you want to explore a new level of crypto management, dive into CoinPayMaster today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like.